Coach T, TackleTrading.com, and here's my tip of the day. What I want you to do is use the tool over at FinViz to help you quickly understand what's happening in the currency market, the Forex market. A lot of new Forex traders, they tend to have a hard time with the cross pairs, maybe don't understand exactly why and how they go up and down. Well, here's a very simple shortcut to get a quick visual of all of the different currency index charts. Okay. Now you go to FinViz, you click on futures, then you'll notice over here on the right, it will say currencies. You might be thinking, well, Tim, isn't currency a Forex? Well, it's different. Forex pairs are cross pairs, and so that's when you trade one currency for another. Those charts are independent of the currency index futures. Now, when you get the futures charts, especially if you're not a Forex trader, all you're doing is getting the quick visual of what that currency looks like, right? So for example, the USD here is the US dollars basket, again, or I should say against a basket of other currencies. Same thing with the euro and the yen and the pound. So right here, the USD has been going up short term. The euro's been dropping. The yen has been going up a little bit. Pound back and forth, starting to rally the last few days. Canadian dollar on a pullback. Swiss franc on a deeper pullback. Aussie and New Zealand dollars showing a lot of weakness. So that's my tip of the day. Use a currency futures chart at FinViz to get a quick snapshot of the overall currency market so to help you with your top-down analysis in your trading. Get in the game, TackleTrading.com on YouTube. Subscribe, like, click the bell, get a future alert for all of our videos. We're a dynamic group of awesome people, so join us. Bye.